Go.
Why?
Mommy's
Making
kneading the dough.
the dough
The dough,
Or-
isn't it? Oh, that's
like
good.
this. Roll it and wrap it there.
That
For
was
that, what
perfect.
do you call this?
Oops.
Bilo-bilo, ginataan.
This is like a triangle. And that was ruined.
Wash their hands and they're now preparing for the bilo-bilo or ginataan, their favorite.
Yes.
So they're preparing the dough. Right, glutinous rice. After pagkakulo ng tubig with gata and sugar, ilagay ang sweet potato and langka. Langka. Ayan. Ayan. Sunod natin ilagay ay yung bilo-bilo. Isahog ko dito sa ban. And last natin ilagay itong sako. Yan. Okay. Kiwar. Sabaw. Yan. Lapit na magluto. Yum! Ayan, isang malaking kaldero ng bilo-bilo. Request ng aking mga anak. Yan, bilo-bilo na may tapioca pearl. Tapos, plantain, langka, at saka sweet potato. Yan. Yum, yum.